Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to unarchive an Instagram post for 2025. Now, for example, in this one, you have posted a story on your Instagram account and you want to unarchive it. For example, it's been years, right? So the first thing I want to do right now is make sure that both your phone, may it be an iPhone or an iOS or an Android devices, you have your updated software. On my end, I just went to settings, went to general, and click on software update. The idea here is there should not be a pending update, may it be an iOS or an Android devices. Alright? So what's next? Open up your Instagram account right here. So go to your profile by clicking this icon. So in here, click on the hamburger icon on the top right corner, and you're gonna see your settings. Click on archive, alright? And in here, you're gonna see everything you have archived since back then. Just click on the story you want to archive, and basically, you'll be good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.